Hi, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 tips on optimizing your YouTube channel. Now, these simple steps can help you to get more engagement, keep your viewers, your audience on your channel longer, or just simply to get discovered on YouTube. So let's go over to my computer and we'll get right into it. Tip number 1 is to add more than one thumbnails to your videos. You can add up to 3 thumbnails to your videos just to test to see which thumbnail is more effective at bringing in viewers, which thumbnails your viewers click on the most. So this is how you do that. You click on your profile picture, you go to YouTube Studio, click on YouTube Studio. You can go to your already published videos if you've already published them. If you're just uploading, you'll see as well how you do that. You click on Edit, where you're prompted to upload your thumbnail. You can see I have 2 thumbnails here for this one video, and it's saying that I have 13 days left for testing to see which thumbnail got the most clicks. You can also stop the test too, as you can see here. So we'll see on this video, it only has 1 thumbnail. To upload a second thumbnail, you would click on Test and Compare, and then you have the option to upload 2 more thumbnails. Tip number 2 is to create playlists to organize your content. It's a great way to categorize your videos. When someone views one of your videos, if that video is in a playlist, then on the side of that video, what your audience will see is the other videos in that playlist. So they'll only be seeing content from you. And this is how you create a playlist. In YouTube Studio, you would click on Create. And here you can see New Playlist. You can click on that. You have to put in a title for your playlist. It's always a good idea to optimize this section, the title and the description, like you would for your YouTube videos, right? So make sure that it's searchable terms. Make sure it's something like how to grow my YouTube channel, right? That's something that someone would search for, you would search for, anyone would search for in YouTube. Make sure the description also is optimized with keywords. You can set your playlist for public, private, or unlisted. By default, your playlist would be visible by the date published, newest, date published, oldest, and you can go down and see they have a bunch of ways here. You then would click on Add Videos. Your videos would come up, and then you would click on the ones that you want to add to your playlist. And when you're all done, you would click Done. And that's how you create a playlist. It's really a great way to organize your content. Tip number 3 is to include a channel description optimized with keywords. And you would do that by going to your YouTube Studio, which we're already in the YouTube Studio. You would come over here to the left-hand side and go to Customization. Click on Customization and scroll down, and you'll see the description box, right? You're already on the profile. See the description box, and you should have a description for your channel and include some keywords, okay? Hashtag keywords. Tip number 4 is try to spark a conversation in the comment section of your video. And you can do that by asking a question in your video that requires an answer, or by putting a pinned comment in your comment section. That's a great way to engage with your viewers as well. Tip number 5, the last one, tip number 5 is to add an end screen to each video. And this is how you do that. An end screen is a great way to point your viewers to your other content. It's also a great way to increase your watch hours because your viewers may end up watching more and more of your video. And this is how you create an end screen. I'll demonstrate using my most recent video. So in YouTube Studio, you would click on Content. When your content comes up, you would click on the edit icon for whatever video you want to add an end screen to. Since I already uploaded this video, you would go to the right hand side where you see end screen, click on the edit icon, and here you can see that for my end screen, I chose what's best for the viewer, which means that YouTube will decide which video to put on the end screen. I chose to show 2 of my other videos in the end screens at the end of this video. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And you can choose also where you want the end screen to appear. It's usually closer to the end of your video. You also have the option to choose your own videos that you want to put in. Choose a specific video. So you would go to Elements, and then you could choose whatever video you want to put in. Okay? Or you could do the most recent upload as well. So there you have it, you guys. 5 easy ways to optimize your YouTube channel. Add multiple thumbnails, organize your content into playlists, include a keyword-rich description, spark conversations in the comments, and add end screens to every video. Let me know which ones you guys are excited to use in the comments. Thank you guys so much for being here. See you in the next one. Bye.